Alright guys, let's check out this 1959 Chevy Impala convertible. She has 10-foot paint, but she has great potential. She has the 283 cubic inch 4.6 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. The driver door has a little bit of surface, but it's nothing that's cancerous. She can use a respray, but other than that, she's in great shape. You gotta love the old classics. That's when they really cared about the styling. Nowadays, pretty much all late models look the same. Driver side floor pans, passenger side, checking out the jambs in the lower doors. She has a little bit of surface on the driver side. Deck lid, trunk nice and clean. Interior is in nice condition. Seats nice and clean. Show little to no wear. Back seat. Convertible top functions as it should. Mileage reached a little over 42,000. Upper dash, lower. Checking out the engine bay. She has the 283 cubic inch 4.6 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering. Let's start her up. Make sure y'all go check out rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.